Hello, and thanks so much for taking the time to actually watch this video. In this video I'm going to be talking about what I've been doing to get free traffic to my blog and also my YouTube channel. Now, if like me you're relatively new, if you like, to online marketing and you're looking to build your business, your presence, your brand, whatever you want to call it, you obviously need traffic. Yeah, you could have the greatest website in the world, you could have the greatest channel in the world, but if no one knows you're there, unfortunately, it's not going to take off. Now, for me on YouTube, it's been difficult. Obviously, at the outset, getting known on YouTube, it is quite a difficult thing to break into. But there are ways that you can do it, and this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Now, for me, recently, I've actually started my own blog. I've actually started my own personal development blog called Colin Talks. It's colintalks.co.uk, and obviously I'm trying to get people to visit my blog to obviously view my blog posts, but it's difficult in the outset. So what I've done, I've actually looked at free resources. I've been looking at other videos on YouTube and obviously getting information, and this is what I want to try and pass on to you. Now, the one thing that I have found really great success with, and it really does seem to be taking off, and that is Pinterest. If you've got a blog or a YouTube channel and you're trying to build your business, you really should go to Pinterest. That's Pinterest.com. Pinterest.com. Now, on this site, you can actually create like your own boards. You can actually put on there, like me, I've actually created Colin's personal development. So anybody that's searching for personal development on Pinterest could possibly come across my board. Now, it's early on in the process, if you like, but what I've already noticed is that as you're putting more boards up and you can actually put links back to your blog, you can put links back to your YouTube channel. As more and more people start seeing your different adverts of whatever it is you're advertising, other people can actually copy your board to their board. Now, I've already noticed this start happening, yeah, and it's kind of a little bit, dare I say, exciting, because what's actually happening is people who are interested in whatever you're interested in. It might be, for example, that you're interested in dogs, or it might be that you're interested in, I don't know, animals, or whatever it is. You can create these boards with these advertisements back to, and then link it back to your blog. You can also link it back to your YouTube channel or any other site, as long as obviously it's a decent site. But it does work. I've actually been putting up personal development images. I've been designing them with a site called Canva, and what I do is, it might be if I've got like a post on motivation that's obviously on my blogs on my website. What I do is I just create a board that says something like, find out how to become more motivated. Do you need more motivation? Whatever you can come up with. Take an image off a site called Pixabay, because you can use their images for free, and then you create this board and then you link it back to your site. It is as simple as that. And quite frankly, what I've noticed, the more boards that you create, the more people will actually go. And obviously, it's a numbers game. The more pins you've got, they call these little boards pins. The more boards you've got, the more chances of people seeing your board. And then what's actually started happening for me is that people who are interested in what I'm interested in, they've obviously looked at my board, read the article, watched the video, whatever they've done, and then they've then saved that pin. They've saved my pin to their board. Now, two people win when that happens. I win because this person who I don't know has saved my board to their board, so my board can now be seen by more people. But as well, that person has made their board, their community board, look better. So this is what you need to do, yeah, on Pinterest. You need to create your board, whatever it is. I've got a board on personal development, I've got a board on animals, I've got a board on marketing, and all I'm doing is linking these boards back to my different my YouTube channel and also my blog, right? But I'm telling you, it's working. Yeah, I've been watching. I mentioned it in another video. A couple called their site's called Create and Go, and that's what they're doing to actually make money from their blog. They're using Pinterest, which is free, yeah, to drive traffic to their blog. Now there's other videos on Pinterest which will actually show you. I apologise, I don't know how to actually do it where I'm on the screen and where I can actually show you physically how to do it, but there are other really good videos that I've watched on Pinterest which actually show you the process. But it's simple, it really is simple. You go to pinterest.com and it's very self-explanatory what you got to do, yeah. But if you don't do it, no one's going to click on your pin. This is where the work bit comes in. Yeah, this is where you've obviously got to do it. I've been doing different things, my actual job today, in and out. But I've also designed, I think, about 3 or 4 pins today. One of them was to do with my pet gecko. Another one was to do with some puppies that my dog had. And all I'm doing is I'm linking it back to my YouTube video. Sorry. Now, my YouTube video is primarily aimed at personal development, but for me to be able to concentrate on that, I need more views. I need more people coming to YouTube and coming to my channel ID. Yeah. So I'm not sure how YouTube works, but I know what I would do if I had a business. I'm guessing they reward people that are bringing traffic to the platform. So, I'm guessing this is how it works. But like I say, I don't know for sure, but I've definitely noticed an increase in views, because what will happen is someone might come to my channel, looking at, for example, one of my dogs that have had puppies, because they like the post of one of my pups, one of the pictures, one of my pups, and check out this video, etc. But when they go to my channel, they can then hopefully find out more about me. They might decide to watch some other videos that I've done. And this is the secret. Obviously, from my point of view, in the future, because I'm really interested in personal development and marketing. Obviously, I've got a genuine love for animals, but that is not what I'm pursuing. I'm trying to pursue personal development. So obviously, in time, as I hopefully get a greater following, I can then start to concentrate more on those other areas. Yeah, just niche down and do the videos on the things that are to do with what I really want to get on and do. Yeah. But when I first started YouTube, done all different videos, because I thought it was a fun thing to do. I was putting videos of my dogs on there, my daughter's reptiles. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just using what I've done to build my channel. Yeah. Now, it all takes time. Yeah. And this is the problem that you might have if perhaps your job is very demanding. But it's like anything, if you want to pursue something and it's something which you believe in, then you should give it a go. Yeah, I mean, I'll just very briefly mention this couple. They've got a site called Create and Go, a blog called Create and Go. Now their whole blog is all about blogging. They're making money now, helping people like me who are interested in pursuing a means in the end to actually earn money online, and they are monetizing their blog and making money out of it. But this guy, he seems like a very nice guy. He's very honest. He seems very honest, and he said most of his traffic, most of what he's generating, is coming from free. I emphasize that, free pins on Pinterest. Yeah. I was watching a video the other day. This guy, he was setting up links to affiliate products at Amazon. So again, the more pins you put on there, the more traffic that you're going to get. But it might be, for example, that you're a lady that's interested in fashion. You might know different people that have perhaps, different suppliers where you buy your clothes online, and you know a lot about clothes. It's something that I said to my wife a while ago. She's very good with putting clothes together, but obviously she's busy and she's not pursued it. But it's something which you can pursue if you've got the time. I said to her, I said, you could start putting like this, this kind of like top goes with these leggings, and this is available from here, and this is available from there. And these people, they're linking back to these different shops. You can actually do it on Pinterest, and it don't cost you nothing, and it's not illegal to do it. Yeah, as long as it's a reputable site like Amazon or eBay or somewhere like that, I don't think you'll have any problem with it. I the other day tried to link to a program that I'm involved with called the affiliate. It's called affiliate marketing. It's all about making money online. And for some reason, it wouldn't let me link to that site, but I don't know why. Whether it's because they've had a lot of people trying to do it, I honestly don't know. But if you try it, Pinterest will soon tell you that that this URL is basically not allowed. Yeah, they're in control. It's their site, but it is a real honest way of getting traffic to your site. Yeah. Obviously, with regards to geographic targeting, it isn't really. I don't think any good unless they've got a paid way that you do it. If you want like to obviously advertise in your local area and get local area leads, then I would suggest off the bat using Google Maps or Facebook, because obviously on Facebook you can do a geographic. You can advertise to people within like a 5 mile, 10 mile radius, etc. But this video is about Pinterest. It's about you getting started and building your empire on Pinterest. I can't believe it. I ain't been doing Pinterest for very long, but I've already designed over 70 pins. I can do one in 5 minutes. I could be sitting there watching telly, watching a program, watching, whatever I'm watching. And while I'm doing it, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking about what video I've recently uploaded. And I'm designing a pin to create a board to drive people to even this video. Yeah, this video. I'll have a video. How to get more views on Pinterest. What do you need to do to get more clicks on Pinterest? These are all questions that people want answering. Yeah, why have you clicked this video? Because you want to know how to get more views using Pinterest. Well, that is exactly what Pinterest is. It's a platform for you to put up an advert that someone like you or me or anybody else who's looking to perhaps find knowledge, yeah, they will click on your pin, but they won't click on it. They won't click on it if it ain't there. And like I said earlier, I want to try and keep this video a bit short. I've already had people copying my pins to their board. So they might have 7 or 8, 10, 15 adverts with regards to personal development, but they've copied a few of my advertisements for personal development to their board. Yeah, so the more people that are following them, the more people are following me. All you're doing, you need to remember with Pinterest, with anything you do, with free advertising, you need to understand, as I understand it anyway, is that it's a numbers game. It's just like YouTube. Again, on YouTube, you've got to put up, try and do decent videos. All my videos are off the bat. I don't rehearse them. I'm not into all that. I'm a very straight guy, so I just say it like it is. And I do get quite a lot of views. Do other people get a lot more than me? Yes, they do. But guess what? It's a numbers game. Yeah. The more enthusiastic, the more effort, the more design you put into your pins, the more effort you put into your videos. However you do it, whatever you do, yeah, the more effort you make, then hopefully the more reward you will receive. It's just like anything in life that you do. If you put effort and love and care and affection into your children, then most of the time you will get that love, care and affection back. Doesn't always work that way, but generally speaking, if you give out, the more you provide, the more the more you try and educate. That's what I'm about. I'm all about that. I'm all about getting education, but I'm also about giving it. Yeah. If someone messaged me or in the street asked me for information, could I help them? If I could help them, I would take the time to do it. Yeah. Because I think that's the way you need to be if you want to hopefully get on in life. And I don't just mean financially, I mean in every way. I've gone a little bit off topic. I've started getting a bit into my personal development, but hopefully you get what I'm saying. Yeah, the more you put in, the more you get out. Don't put up one pin and expect 1,000 people to read it. It don't go like that. You need to create more boards on your Pinterest. Only today I've started putting a few. I've actually started a board all about coins because I collect a few coins. Nothing. They ain't expensive ones, just like coins. But what I've done is because I've actually copied a few people's pins to my board, so my board looks better because I've only actually put one link to my YouTube video on there. But because I've created that board, I'm hopefully potentially that's going to be seen. And obviously over the next week, next month, next 10 years, I will be uploading my pins, my videos, and this is how I believe, and I hope I'm right, but this is what I believe is what you need to do. Yeah, like I say, I've definitely seen an increase in my YouTube channel, and it can only be, well, it is because I've actually on YouTube you can go into your sources, yeah, and you can actually see where your clicks are coming from, and Pinterest is on there, LinkedIn that I use, Facebook, yeah, these are all things that you need to be putting your content on if you really want to grow your business. Yeah, but I would suggest initially do what I do, use free advertising, free marketing, and then once I've actually told myself, hopefully when I start getting more advertisements on my blog and I start earning more money from my blog, then I will be putting that money back in, yeah, to build my brand, if you like. People say, like, you think when you say that brand, almost I think like, who am I, like, brand, but that's all you are. Whether it's your name, whether it's your shop, whether it's an invention that you've invented, it is what belongs to you. Yeah. colintalks.co.uk is my blog. It belongs to me. Yeah. When I start getting more advertisements on it and I start getting more traffic from it, I'll start earning more money from it. It's that simple. Yeah. That's how these people are earning. I was watching a guy the other day. He's earning 50 grand a month out of his blog. Yeah, you think, how's it possible? But yeah, he is. But anyway, I'm going to end it there because I'm trying to keep my videos. I struggle. I talk a lot, and I struggle to keep my videos short. But here we go. This one's only just under 19 minutes long, so I'm going to end it there. Go on Pinterest, Pinterest.com. Yeah, please, if you got anything out of this video, please like. I'd really appreciate it if you like. Please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment, positive or negative. I don't, leave me a comment. I really appreciate it. Apparently it helps with your YouTube algorithm or something. I heard someone else say that in a video. Yeah, like, subscribe, please subscribe, and I do really hope you got something out of it. And if you are starting a blog, if you're starting a blog or you're starting a channel and you've got people around you who are trying to put you off doing it, don't let them destroy your dream. Yeah, because every single person in life that's achieved anything, most people, yeah, they've achieved it out of very little. Yeah, if obviously it's then like a new business, it might have come from initially an idea, a concept, and this is what you've got to run with, and don't let anyone take it from you. Thanks a lot. I really hope you got something out of this video. Bye bye.